Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle sphere in After Effects using Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, then hit OK, go to Layer, New Solid and I'll call it Particular. Then press OK, go to Effect, Trapcode Particular and yeah, here we go. Now open emitter per second, particles per second, I'll change it to 2000 and velocity, I'll change velocity to 50 and close emitter. Yeah, now go to particle, life per second, I'll change it to 10, increase life random around 20, size, I'll change size to 2 right now. Also I'll increase size random around 70, it will be good. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to opacity over life, presets, and I'll choose this shape. Okay. Now go to physics, air, and I'll open spherical field and radius. I'll change radius to 300 just right now. And now I'll go to strength and I'll change it to 100 and see. Yeah. Now I'll increase radius like this. I need it inside the scene like this. And see. This is our sphere. Very good. Okay. Now I'll go to particle and I'll choose colors, open color over life and randomize to choose colors. Yeah, I think it's good. But yeah, it's very good. Also, I'll go to size and I'll change it to 1. Yes, it's very cool. I'll go to effect, stylize, glow. Yeah, I'll increase threshold and also radius and see. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now I'll go to emitter. Okay. Now I'll go to emitter. Position X. And if I move it right, C. And if I move it left, C. So now I'll move it left like this. And I'll go to air, physics, air, and wind X. I'll increase it like this and see. Yes, very good. Okay, now I'll go to particle here and Control D to copy. Particle 2. Okay. Now I'll go to emitter position X, and I'll move it right and see. Or I'll go to particle, right click, transform, and if I go to flip horizontal, see. I think it's easier. Yes. Okay, now I go to layer, new adjustment layer, and effect stylize glow. And I'll increase glow threshold around 70, and also radius around 75 will be good. Okay, go to effect, color, and curves, and I'll make some changes here, and alpha also. And see. Okay, pre-compose. And now I'll go to layer, new solid, background. I'll put it down, and I'll go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Change linear ramp to radial, and put this point into the middle like this, and I'll change this color like this. And last thing, I'll go to import some particles here. Go to effect, particle, and change point to box. I don't need velocity, and I'll increase X and Y like this. And I'll go to particle and change it to 1 or maybe 2, and color of life, I'll choose these colors, change. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, and subscribe, and goodbye.